discuss about predictions, ideas, plans, and expectations. And mastering tenses is essential for effective communication.
Present tense divided into four parts: present indefinite, present continuous.
Hello everyone, I am Zaid.
I am Rehan.
So today we are going to discuss the daily uses of tenses. So let's get started. So as you know that tenses play a vital role in our daily communication, enabling to express ourselves effectively and accurately. The correct uses of tenses helps to convey the timing and sequence of the events and making our language more precise and understandable. In daily life, we use the tenses to describe our experiences, intentions, and plans. For example, we use the present tense to talk about daily routines, habits, and facts. The past tense helps us to recount events that have already occurred, while the future tense enables us to discuss about predictions, ideas, plans, and expectations. And mastering tenses is essential for effective communication as it helps us to avoid confusion and ensures that our message is conveyed clearly or not. By using tenses correctly, we can express ourselves with confidence and precision, making our interactions more meaning and productive, whether in personal or professional setting. Tenses the tense The proper uses of tenses is crucial for conveying our thoughts and ideas. By understanding and applying the different tenses, we can enhance our communication and comprehension skills and build stronger relationships with others. So I hope you got my point. Now I would like to listen to Randa.
Today I am about to discuss all the tenses. As you know, there are three types of tenses. First is present tense, and second is past tense, and third future tense. But every sentence uses present tense divided into four parts: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Firstly, present indefinite. Present indefinite whose work do in daily life